Good morning, students. Today's discussion is about calculation of density of cubic crystals of elements. For this purpose, suppose the edge length of the unit cell is small a and the number of atoms per unit cell is equal to Z. The atomic mass of the element is M. Capital M represents the atomic mass of the element. Z, number of atoms per unit cell. Small a, edge length of the unit cell. For a cubic unit cell, volume of the unit cell equal to A cube. In case of cubic unit cell, all the sides are equal. So the volume of unit cell is equal to A cube. Therefore, the density of the unit cell, rho dash, density of the unit cell, rho dash is equal to mass of unit cell upon volume of unit cell. And how to calculate the mass of unit cell? Mass of unit cell equal to number of atoms per unit cell multiplied by mass of one atom. And the mass of one atom is equal to atomic mass by Avogadro number. Avogadro number is represented by Na. Atomic mass of element is M. Number of atoms per unit cell is Z. That is why the density of unit cell rho dash equal to Zm by A cube and A. Since the density of a crystal is the same as the density of unit cell, that is why rho is equal to Zm by A cube and A, where Na is Avogadro constant, which is Avogadro number, and it is equal to 6.023 into 10 power 23, where Na equal to 6.023 into 10 power 23, and this can be taken as 6.0 into 10 power 23. For simple calculation, Avogadro number is taken as 6.0 into 10 power 23. Although its actual value is 6.023 into 10 power 23. For simple calculation, we take 6.0 into 10 power 23. H. What is A? A is the edge length. This edge length in centimeter. Rho, density in gram per centimeter. If A is taken in centimeter, mass in gram, then density comes in gram per centimeter. Z is already explained, number of atoms per unit cell. For simple cubic primitive unit cells, simple cubic unit cell, Z equal to 1. For BCC unit cell, Z equal to 2. For FCC unit cell, Z equal to 4. These are the values of Z for different types of Generally, edge length is given in picometer. So in order to calculate the value of density in gram per cube, A must be taken in centimeter. So what is the relationship between picometer and centimeter? 1 picometer equal to 10 power minus 10 centimeter, and 1 angstrom equal to 10 power minus 8 centimeter. With the help of this value, you can calculate the edge length in centimeter. If the edge length is given in picometer, then you can change this value in centimeter. And represents atomic mass in case of element, and atomic mass in case of pure element. M is atomic mass in case of elements, and in case of ionic compounds, this is very important to note that in case of ionic compounds, like NaCl, M is equal to formula mass. This is the formula mass. In case of ionic compound, M represents formula mass of the ionic compound. For example, in case of NaCl, what is the value of M? 23 plus 35.5 means 58.5 is the value of M in case of NaCl. Just like this, M represents formula mass of ionic compound and atomic mass of pure element. How will you calculate the value of A? Its relationship between edge length and the radius of atom. Calculation of A means edge length for different types of unit cells. For simple cubic unit cell, A is equal to 2 For body centered cubic unit cell, A equal to root 3A equal to 4R. That is why A equal to 4 by root 3R. For face centered cubic unit cell, root 2A equal to 4R. Therefore, A equal to 4 by root 2A. Sorry, R. If the radius of atom is given, then with the help of radius, you can calculate the value of edge length. for different types of unit cells. For simple cubic unit cell, A equal to 2R. For body centered cubic unit cell, A equal to 4 by root 3R. And for face centered unit cell, A equal to 4 by root 2R. And the distance between nearest neighbors. How to find the value of distance between nearest neighbors? Distance between nearest neighbors, D equal to means A by 2. Distance equal to A by 2. This is the relationship between distance means between nearest neighbor and edge length. That is why for simple cubic unit cell, distance between nearest neighbor equal to distance between nearest neighbor equal to A for simple cubic unit cell, because in this case distance between nearest neighbor is equal to R by 2, means 2R. Distance between nearest neighbor equal to 2R. Double the radius of atom. This is the value of distance between nearest neighbors. That is why in case of simple cubic unit cell, distance between nearest neighbor equal to A, means B and A both are same in case of simple cubic unit cell. But in case of body centered cubic unit cell, what is the value of R? Since 4R equal to root 3A, therefore R equal to root 3 by 4A, and D equal to root 3 by 2A. This is the value of D and A, means relationship between D and A for body centered cubic unit cell. For face centered cubic unit cell, for BCC. This is the value of distance between nearest neighbors. And in case of face centered cubic unit cell, since 4R equal to root 2A, therefore R equal to root 2 by 4A. Therefore D is equal to 2R, means root 2 by 2A. Root 2 by 2 for FCC. So these are the important formulas used to calculate distance between nearest neighbors. Distance between nearest neighbor for simple cubic unit cell is equal to edge length, because in this case corner atoms touch each other. That is why D equal to 2R or D equal to A. In case of body centered cubic unit cell, atoms present at the corner and at the body center touch each other. That is why 4R equal to root 3A, hence R equal to root 3A by 4. Just double the R becomes root 3a by 2b. And our FCC, phase center unit cell, carbon atom and atom present at the phase center touch each other, hence 4 are equal to root 2a and are equal to root 2a by 4a. Just double of it becomes root 2a by 2a. So this is the value of D in different types of unit cells. It is important to note that in case of rock salt structure like NaCl structure, in case of rock salt structure like NaCl, its crystal lattice can be represented as this is crystal lattice of NaCl crystal. In NaCl crystal, in case of NaCl, sodium ion present at the body center as well as edge center. Sodium ion present at body center as well as edge center, and Cl ion, chloride ions and corners as well as phase centers. In NaCl crystal, sodium ion present at edge center as well as body center, while chloride ion at phase center and corners. That is why this is the position of sodium ion and these are the positions of chloride ion. In this case, this is the D. This is the D, distance between nearest neighbors, and this is A. So in this case, what is value of A? Small a. Therefore, in case of NaCl crystal, A is equal to 2 R positive plus R negative. R negative, R positive, R positive, R negative. Means 2 R negative plus 2 R positive. This is the value of A. In case of rock salt structure, NaCl structure, where R plus represent the radius of sodium ion and R minus represent the radius of chloride ion. So in case of rock salt structure or NaCl structure, edge length is equal to twice the radius of cation plus radius of anion. This is all about the calculation of density of the crystal. Knowing the values of different terms, one can calculate the density of crystal. That's all. Thank you.